Super excited to get going. I am next to my amazing husband who trusts me out here. It feels kind of good. I adjusted the steering wheel. Let me see if I can show y'all the steering wheel. I'm sitting up high, I'm sitting up pretty. I am good to go. Black girl magic behind this wheel. Nothing to it but to do it. This is the automatic, so it should be good. Got my seatbelt on and I'm feeling good. Let's put it. I think I'm ready. I think I want to move up just a little bit more. Oh. No.
All right, hold it and I'll push it up.
What?
No, pull it up.
Pull what
Do
up?
the same thing. I'll help you go up.
Oh.
Yeah, that's about as far as you can go there.
Okay, I want to put the back seat up just a little bit.
On the side, there should be a little thing on the side.
Lever.
On the left.
I know.
Arm. Yeah, a little arm thing. Yeah.
Oh, ah!
Okay, foot on the brake.
Foot on the brake.
Yep. Now push the yellow in. Push the yellow.
Oh, I'm too close. I want to go back a little bit. Push the yellow in.
Push the yellow in. Just push it all in. Is it pushed all in?
Just push.
Do it with your palm of your hand just to make sure. All right.
Push it all the way.
Now you're gonna turn the right on the right, the lever. Just put it in drive. The lever to your right there. Just turn the knob. See the little knob? Just turn it. You see? No.
There is no knob.
Yeah, right there. Just turn it to drive.
Right.
Yeah.
I want to adjust this mirror. Okay, let me. Okay, that one. Oh, that's better. That's better. This looks good. All my mirrors look good. Okay, there's none here. Boom, 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 boom. I think I'm ready.
All right, give it some gas. You already in gear.
Oh my goodness. Just regular gas. Why is it jerking like that?
Yeah, just give it gas. Press the gas.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Felt a little jerky at first. Why are we jerking around? We're jerking a little bit. Oh my God.
Remember your takeoff. Slow it in the car. Go, give it gas. Hurry up.
Fuck you. There's no patience for me.
Take a right.
No patience. Okay, I gotta relax. There was no patience. He was trying to make me feel like I had to go fast.
You do. You can't just come. You got to get out and go.
Okay. Is he coming straight?
No, just keep going.
Okay.